What's going on? PJ 437 Motorsports. I'll do a quick little video on replacing the fog driving light and the F-body. I already came out here, popped this down. Got a couple little bolts with the little things. This one's broke. I got that one there out. So that trap door swings down. And you can get to your light right there. It's kind of just like a headlight. You pull the tabs apart. I believe. Yep. Alright, so we got it all put back together. We'll double check, make sure it works still before we take the jack out, then the jack stand, because you got to be safe. Safety first. The driver's side was already working, and the passenger side is one to replace, so that's good to go. Corner light keeps going bad. I'm gonna have to get a new one of those and go back up in the compartment again. But that's all you gotta do. And one other thing on these, I'm gonna pretty much guess that they're just like a headlight. When you're putting them in, you don't want to touch the glass, because the heat will cause them to corrode the glass. You can see this one's pretty rusty. No wonder that one went out. It's just like a headlight for the most part, except for you got tabs on each side. You got to pop loose. I dropped my camera from up in the fender well there, and I flipped it on the photo, so I thought I was videoing the reinstall, and I wasn't. So it's just a simple twist socket with the little tabs there. Goes in, turn it and lock it in place, replug it back up, and you're done. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.